Okay, let's take a couple of minutes and look at some stock issuance transactions. So on June 19th, we issued 1,700 shares of $1 par common stock for cash of $12 per share. Okay, so how much money are we going to receive when we actually issue that particular stock? Well, we know we need to debit cash because we're going to get cash in exchange for that stock issuance, and that's going to be the number of shares times the actual issue price, which was $12. So 1,700 shares times $12 is $20,400. We know we need to credit common stock at par value. So this is a $1 par value. So if we issue 1,700 shares, that means I'm going to credit common stock at $1,700. And then the difference between my debits and credits is going to go into paid in capital in excess of par value. And so that's the $20,400 minus the $1,700 common stock. $18,700 will be my credit to paid in capital in excess of par. Then on July 3rd, it says we sold 340 shares of $4.50 no par preferred stock for $17,000 in cash. So this is no par preferred stock. We're just going to debit cash for, again, the amount of the issuance, which it says was $17,000. And we'll go ahead and credit our preferred stock for $17,000. The entire proceeds here get credited to preferred stock. Lastly, on the 11th, it says that we received inventory with a market value of $28,000 and equipment with a market value of $9,000. All right, so we know in exchange for our stock, we're going to get inventory and equipment. So let's go ahead and debit both of those for their market values, so $28,000 and $9,000. We know we need to credit common stock at par value, and this is $1 par value stock. So if we issue 11,000 shares times $1, that's a credit of $11,000. And lastly, paid in capital in excess of par value. Oops. Will be the difference. So my debits equal my credits, $26,000. And the way I calculated that was to add both of these together. That gets me $37,000 minus the $11,000 credit. Means I need $26,000 so that my debits will equal my credits when both of those are added together.